What if I told you that your liver might already be struggling, and you wouldn't even know it? The liver is one of the most vital organs in your body, quietly working every day to filter toxins, balance hormones, and support digestion. But over time, common habits can start to wear it down, and when your liver is in trouble, your entire body feels it. Most people associate liver problems with alcohol. But the truth is, even if you never drink, your liver can still become damaged. Consuming too much sugar, processed foods, refined oils, or even skipping sleep and being dehydrated can slowly lead to liver stress. Fatty liver disease, for example, is now increasingly common in people who have never touched alcohol. When your liver is overworked, it struggles to process toxins effectively. This can lead to fatigue, skin issues, weight gain, poor digestion, and even brain fog. In more serious cases, it can lead to inflammation, scarring, and liver failure. But the good news is that your liver is also incredibly resilient. It has the power to heal and regenerate, especially when you support it with the right foods. One of the best and easiest ways to start healing your liver is by adding specific fruits to your daily diet. These fruits contain natural compounds that support detoxification, reduce inflammation, and help the liver repair itself. Let's take a look at 7 powerful fruits that can help reverse liver stress and improve your overall health. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are one of the most antioxidant-rich fruits on the planet. They contain anthocyanins that help reduce inflammation in the liver and protect it from oxidative stress. Eating a handful of blueberries each day can help prevent fat buildup and improve liver function. Number 2. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains natural compounds like naringenin and naringin that help protect liver cells and increase the production of detox enzymes. These enzymes help the liver flush out toxins more efficiently. Drinking fresh grapefruit juice or eating the whole fruit in the morning can give your liver a natural boost. Number 3. Apples. Apples are high in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps remove toxins from the digestive system. This reduces the liver's workload, giving it a chance to focus on processing other substances in the body. A fresh apple a day, especially with the peel, can help support this cleansing process. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados are a unique fruit because they're high in healthy fats and antioxidants like glutathione. Glutathione is critical for liver detoxification and repair. Eating avocados regularly has been shown to protect the liver from damage and improve overall liver enzyme levels. Number 5. Red and purple grapes. Red and purple grapes are packed with resveratrol, a compound that helps reduce inflammation and protects the liver from injury. Research suggests that grapes can also help reduce fat in the liver and improve its ability to metabolize sugar and fats. Number 6. Watermelon. Watermelon is over 90% water and acts as a natural hydrator. Hydration is key for flushing toxins out of the liver and kidneys. Watermelon also contains compounds like citrulline that support blood flow and help the liver stay cool and detoxified during the hotter months. Number 7. Lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and acts as a natural detoxifier. Adding fresh lemon juice to your water can stimulate liver enzymes, helping your body eliminate waste more effectively. This simple habit, especially first thing in the morning, can support your liver's cleansing functions. Now that you know which fruits support liver health, let's talk about how to use them in your daily routine. The key is consistency. You don't have to eat all 7 fruits every day, but including at least 2 or 3 in your diet regularly can make a big difference. For example, you might start your morning with a glass of warm lemon water. Then add blueberries or grapes to your breakfast. Enjoy an apple as a midday snack. Include avocado with your lunch, and eat a few slices of watermelon during the afternoon. These small actions build up over time and create a strong foundation for your liver to recover and thrive. In addition to adding these fruits, it's also important to reduce the habits that harm your liver. Limit your intake of sugary drinks, fried foods, and excessive processed snacks. Avoid excessive alcohol, and be cautious with over-the-counter medications that can strain your liver when taken too often. Getting enough sleep and drinking plenty of water also play a vital role in keeping your liver healthy. Remember, your liver works every day to protect you. It's time to return the favor. Start by making simple food swaps. Replace sugary desserts with fruit. Choose water with lemon over soda. And when you're reaching for a snack, try grapes or an apple instead of chips. These small decisions, repeated over time, lead to powerful results. You have the power to protect and heal your liver, even if you're over 60. It's never too late to make a change. Your body is still capable of transformation. Give it what it needs, and it will show you just how strong and resilient it really is. Eat smart, protect your liver, and keep showing up for your health every day. You deserve to feel better, have more energy, and enjoy life with a strong, healthy body. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more daily health tips. Because the more you know, the better you live.